Hey, good morning. Welcome to week 7. Week 7, we are reading chapters 11 and 12, and that is the end of the book. So chapters in 11 and 12 definitely get intense. They definitely take a turn. I'm really excited for you guys to see how this book ends. So, just like always, we're doing the 11 and 12 questions. So we've got vocab, and the questions are broken out by chapter. I think the ending of the book, maybe you'll be surprised by, maybe you won't, but pay attention to how intense it gets with chapters 11 and 12. Pay attention to Sam and Eric and the role that they play, and the decisions that they make. Pay attention to the shift in Ralph, and kind of how terrified he gets. Pay attention to the cruelty in Jack, and kind of the power that he has. And then the fire has been a symbol kind of throughout the whole novel. So pay attention to the role that fire plays in the end of the novel. So there's going to be a ton that happens, a ton that's wrapped up. So I'm excited for you guys to see the end of the story. Next week, on Thursday, the quiz will be posted. Next week, we'll take the multiple choice final exam, and then the following week will be the final essay for the book. Okay, so if you have any questions, please reach out. The word of the week is Valentine. So email me the word Valentine. That'll let me know that you watched this lesson, and I'll get you counted for attendance. Have a great week.